I am suffering. I'm alone. My life is empty without him, and I feel useless now. I just want to see people happy with the videos I make. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. Oh, I feel the pain here. This worker always commemorate Halloween. I don't know what to say. Making ice cream with love.
Let me see it! Let me see it!
I love woman, but she doesn't like me. It make me confused, and then I drink Coca-Cola. Oh, chicken, your fate is truly unfortunate. I once held hand with someone I love, but now she's gone. That's why I bought gloves. And since then, I decided to buy a lot of aloe vera. Boom, boom, ing, ing, ing. Do you want to have a new car? And you have no money? Trust me, we are the same. I can buy a car now because I don't have any money. So I decided to buy food for what? Yes, to eat. After my stomach is fine, I go to the market to buy toys. But it turns out I was scammed. This is the original machine. that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.